If you ever wanted to edit images like a professional but found traditional software too complicated, you need to check out MagicQuill. It is a free AI-powered image editor designed to simplify photo editing while delivering high-quality results. Whether you're a content creator, a social media manager, or someone who enjoys editing photos, MagicQuill provides advanced editing tools without the complexity of traditional software. In this video, we will explore its features, compare it to other editing tools, and explain why you should try it today. MagicQuill is an AI-driven image editor that helps users enhance and modify images with minimal effort. Unlike software like Photoshop, which requires extensive knowledge and manual editing skills, MagicQuill automates many of these processes. The software uses artificial intelligence to improve image quality, remove unwanted objects, generate backgrounds, and even create AI-generated artwork. The best part is that it is completely free, meaning anyone can use it without worrying about expensive subscriptions or licensing fees. MagicQuill can automatically improve the quality of images by adjusting sharpness, color balance, and contrast. If you have an old or blurry photo, the AI can enhance the details and make it appear sharper and more vibrant. This feature is particularly useful for photographers, social media influencers, and businesses that need high-quality images but do not have the time for manual adjustments. One of the most tedious tasks in image editing is removing a background, especially when working with complex shapes like hair or textured objects. MagicQuill simplifies this by automatically detecting and removing backgrounds in seconds. After the background is removed, you can replace it with a solid color, a different image, or an AI-generated scene that complements the subject. This feature is ideal for e-commerce product photos, professional headshots, or creative design projects. MagicQuill allows users to create digital artwork using artificial intelligence. By entering a text prompt, the AI generates an image based on the description. This feature is particularly useful for artists, graphic designers, and content creators who want to explore new visual ideas. Users can experiment with different styles, from photorealistic renderings to abstract art, making it a versatile tool for creative projects. For those who want quick and easy edits, MagicQuill offers a variety of AI-powered filters and effects. These allow users to transform the look and feel of an image instantly, whether they want a vintage aesthetic, high-contrast black and white, or a cinematic color grade. Unlike traditional filters that simply overlay a preset effect, MagicQuill's AI analyzes the image and intelligently applies enhancements to match the lighting, colors, and overall composition. Sometimes an otherwise perfect photo can be ruined by an unwanted object or person in the background. MagicQuill's object removal tool allows users to erase distractions seamlessly, without leaving noticeable marks or distortions. For example, if there's a power line in an otherwise clear sky, MagicQuill's AI can remove it while filling in the missing background naturally. This is a highly useful tool for both casual and professional photographers. MagicQuill provides automated retouching tools that can enhance portraits with minimal effort. The AI can smooth skin, remove blemishes, whiten teeth, and even refine facial features to create a polished look. Unlike manual retouching in Photoshop, which requires skill and patience, MagicQuill allows users to create professional-level results in seconds, making it ideal for influencers, photographers, and personal use. MagicQuill also offers text and graphic overlay tools, allowing users to add captions, stickers, and design elements to their images. This feature is particularly useful for social media posts, marketing materials, and creative projects that require text integration. Users can choose from a variety of fonts, colors, and design elements to ensure that their images align with their branding or personal style. If you're enjoying this video so far, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. We're always putting out new content on a variety of topics, and we'd love for you to be part of our community. Using a MagicQuill is simple and efficient, making high-quality image editing accessible to everyone. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide to help you get started. Number 1. Visit the MagicQuill website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official MagicQuill website. If it's your first time using the platform, you may need to sign up for a free account, but this process is quick and hassle-free. Once logged in, you'll have access to all the AI-powered tools without any hidden costs. Number 2. Upload your image. Drag and drop the image you want to edit directly into the interface, or click the upload button to browse files from your device. MagicQuill's AI will automatically analyze your image and suggest enhancements, saving you the trouble of manually adjusting settings. Whether it's a portrait, a product photo, or a landscape, the AI adapts to different types of images. Number 3. Choose an editing tool. MagicQuill offers a variety of one-click editing options powered by artificial intelligence. Depending on your needs, you can select tools like background removal, instantly remove or replace the background with a new one, object removal, erase unwanted objects or imperfections effortlessly, AI enhancement, sharpen, upscale, or adjust lighting for better quality, retouching, smooth skin, enhance details, or fix blemishes in portraits. Number 4. Apply filters or effects. If you want to personalize your image further, MagicQuill provides a range of creative filters, artistic effects, and overlays. Whether you're going for a vintage look, a high-contrast style, or subtle color enhancements, these tools help you achieve the perfect aesthetic without advanced editing skills. Number 5. Download and share. Once you're happy with the final result, download the edited image in high resolution and use it for social media, websites, presentations, or personal projects. There are no watermarks or restrictions, allowing you to use your enhanced images freely. This entire process takes only a few minutes, making professional quality editing fast and effortless. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or someone who simply enjoys experimenting with images, MagicQuill provides a seamless editing experience, no prior experience required. MagicQuill is a powerful and versatile AI-powered image tool that caters to a wide range of users, making it a valuable asset for anyone looking to enhance their visuals quickly and effortlessly. Here's how different types of users can benefit from it. Social media creators. In today's fast-paced digital world, standing out on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook is crucial. Social media creators need eye-catching visuals that grab attention instantly. MagicQuill helps influencers, vloggers, and content creators generate high-quality images for YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, promotional banners, and social media ads. Instead of spending hours editing images manually, users can produce professional-looking designs in seconds, ensuring their content looks polished and engaging. Photographers. Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist, editing photos can be a time-consuming process. MagicQuill simplifies the workflow by offering quick, high-quality enhancements, including color correction, background adjustments, and AI-powered touch-ups. Photographers can refine their images effortlessly, bringing out the best details without needing advanced software or technical skills. For beginners, it's an easy way to experiment with editing, while professionals can use it as a quick solution for refining shots before final edits. Businesses and marketers. In the world of branding and advertising, visuals play a key role in attracting customers. Entrepreneurs, startups, and marketing professionals need high-quality product images, eye-catching ad creatives, and visually compelling branding materials to succeed. MagicQuill allows businesses to enhance product photos for e-commerce listings, design striking social media ads, and create polished graphics for promotional campaigns, all without requiring graphic design expertise. This helps companies save time and money while maintaining a professional image. MagicQuill is a powerful, user-friendly alternative to expensive and complex editing software, making high-quality image editing accessible to everyone. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, here are a few compelling reasons why MagicQuill is worth trying. It's completely free. Unlike many editing tools that require costly subscriptions, hidden fees, or premium upgrades, MagicQuill offers a full suite of editing features at no cost. There's no need to worry about trial periods expiring or getting locked out of essential tools. You can use it as much as you want without spending a dime. AI-powered automation. MagicQuill harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to automate complex editing tasks that would normally take hours. Whether it's background removal, color correction, retouching, or adding artistic effects, the AI does the heavy lifting for you. This ensures that even those without technical editing skills can create professional quality images with just a few clicks. Beginner-friendly interface. Many editing programs have steep learning curves, requiring users to spend time watching tutorials or mastering complicated tools. MagicQuill eliminates this frustration with an intuitive and straightforward interface that allows even complete beginners to edit images effortlessly. You don't need any prior experience in photo editing, Just upload an image and let the AI enhance it instantly. Saves time and effort. Traditional photo editing can be time-consuming, especially for those who aren't familiar with advanced software. MagicQuill streamlines the process by delivering high-quality results in seconds. Whether you need a polished image for social media, marketing, or personal projects, MagicQuill provides fast and efficient editing without compromising on quality. For anyone who needs high-quality image editing without the frustration of complex software, MagicQuill is an excellent option. It's free, easy to use, and powered by AI to help you create stunning visuals with minimal effort. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or someone who just enjoys experimenting with images, MagicQuill makes professional-grade editing accessible to all. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, press the subscribe button, and also drop your thoughts in the comments section. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep innovating, and keep embracing the limitless possibilities of AI.